Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to delete lock screen password, how to turn off Tecno mobile lock screen password. Friends, in your Tecno mobile you don't want to unlock your mobile with password, you want to remove your Tecno mobile lock screen password. So friends, now let's see how to remove Tecno mobile lock screen password. Unlock your phone. After unlock phone, open your phone setting. After turn phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. So friends, in your Tecno mobile, scroll down here, open your phone security setting. After turn phone security setting friends, you have fingerprint lock, so you can remove your fingerprint lock. And you have your face lock, so friends you can use face lock. And you don't have face lock, you want to add face lock in your Tecno mobile, so friends you can add your face lock here. Friends, already I have, and you want to delete your face lock, so you can delete. So friends, I will cancel because I don't want to delete my face lock data. Tap on your screen lock setting, enter your password. After enter password friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. So friends, in your Tecno mobile you can select your new password type and you can change your lock screen password. Friends, you want to use pattern password, you can draw pattern for your lock screen password. Pin lock password you want to use, so you can set your pin lock password and you can use. And friends, again you want to use your alphanumeric password, but you want to update your password, you want to set a new password, so you can set your new password. Next, same password again enter and confirm, but passwords don't match because I enter wrong password, so you can use it. And friends, if you click a swipe option, your lock screen password will remove. And friends, you can see I have face lock data in my Tecno mobile, but friends, face lock notification is not here. If I tap here, yes, remove option friends, you can see face lock will remove automatic. Again, if you select your face lock setting, so you will have to set first lock screen password. So friends, lock your screen. And friends, you can unlock your Tecno mobile without fingerprint lock, without face lock, without lock screen password. Swipe here, phone will unlock automatic without password. And friends, again open your phone setting and open your phone security setting, and you want to remove swipe lock, you want to use your phone without swipe lock, so you can use. So friends, if you off your screen, so friends you can on your screen with power button. Tap on power button, screen will on automatic. And you want to unlock your mobile with swipe lock, so you can select your swipe lock and your phone screen will not on automatic if you tap here power button. First you will have to swipe here, your phone will unlock. Bye.